vast universe where the first stars flickered amidst endless darkness.
These massive formations of cosmic gas and dust are the birthplaces of stars, swirling in a slow, majestic dance across the void.
A young star, the proto-sun, begins to collapse. As the core reaches critical mass,
Gravity pulls matter together, forming the first rocky bodies around the sun.
Fueled by gentle collisions, these dust grains fuse together, growing rapidly. This is the first stage of
A young planet begins to form. The Earth is being born.
The Earth's surface here glows red. This molten lava is boiling at over 2,000 degrees Celsius.
Meteors of all sizes are bombarding the surface, blasting debris miles into the sky. This is an extinction-level event.
The air is poisoned now. Everything is burning. We are witnessing the end of everything.
The molten core begins to separate. Heavy metals sink to form the inner core.
They said it couldn't happen. They called it a myth. But look around you, the sky is bleeding.
The young planet spins rapidly, lacking a stable atmosphere. This is a world in chaos, constantly A Mars-sized planet, Theia, collides with the young Earth. The impact creates the massive debris cloud that will become the Moon.
The cataclysmic impact hurls billions of tons of rock into orbit. Those fragments gather and form Earth's first moon.
The Earth's surface melts completely, transformed into endless oceans of churning magma. Over millions of years, the crust cools and hardens. Earth's rotation slows, and the moon settles into orbit.
Volcanoes erupt endlessly, releasing steam, methane, and CO2s.
Known only as the Veiled Giant, this world is shrouded in an atmosphere so dense it obscures the surface entirely.
The rain came, corrosive and harsh. Yet in time, it purified itself, leaving. For millions of years, unending rain erodes rock and cools the surface. And so the vapor condensed, forming the very first primordial oceans. Ancient seas cover most of the planet. The blue Earth begins to emerge. Water evaporates and condenses, creating the first weather cycles. Lifeless and empty, these volcanic shores endure the constant assault of the unforgiving waves.
Sunlight pierces through thick clouds, shimmering across boiling seas.
Deep beneath the waves, the Earth's crust tears open, creating these hydrothermal vents, or black smokers, teeming with unique life.
Hot, mineral-rich water spreads through the ancient ocean.
This is the cradle of chemistry, where life may begin.
Fierce lightning strikes the seas, providing energy for chemical reactions.
Carbon, hydrogen, nitrogen, and oxygen combine into the first organic molecules.
Amino acids form in warm waters, linking into complex chains. Reactions follow reactions in the dark primordial ocean. Tiny droplets, precursors of cells, start to organize themselves. Life begins to stir in these tiny droplets of water. The first cells, ancient bacteria, are born in the darkness of the deep sea.
They feed on chemical energy near volcanic vents.
Without sunlight, life still divides and multiplies.
Life spreads gradually to shallower waters.
Cyanobacteria appear, the first organisms to perform photosynthesis.
They release oxygen, forever transforming Earth's atmosphere.
Oxygen levels rise, turning the sky blue and the seas clear. Iron in the oceans rusts, forming ancient red rock layers.
As oxygen levels surged, the consequences were catastrophic. This new atmosphere wiped out countless primitive life forms.
Yet this disaster opens the door to new evolution.
The atmosphere stabilizes, shielding Earth from solar radiation.
Sunlight floods the surface, marking a new era of evolution.
Cells cooperate and share energy. Multicellular life is born.
Here, far from the sun's reach, the very first complex life begins its slow, pulsating dance through the ancient waters. Bodies become more complex. Tissues, muscles, and primitive eyes appear.
The oceans begin to teem with life. Feeding, hunting, reproduction, the first instincts take shape.
Each creature is the result of billions of years of natural selection.
Life spreads into every corner, from deep oceans to surface waters.
Deep beneath the waves, tiny marine plants absorb carbon dioxide, initiating the vital process of photosynthesis.
A new balance of Earth is established.
Green spreads through the oceans. Life has prevailed.
Earth, once a lifeless world, becomes a planet full of energy. From stardust to life, this is the miraculous journey of Earth, and the story continues.